Today we have exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including the year launch. Let me know in the comments who is waiting for the Galaxy S24. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech. First up, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a new titanium frame which is stronger, more durable and lighter than the previous frame. Titanium frame were also showcased in the recent Apple event for their new iPhone. The S24 series is expected to launch in January 2024 instead of the usual February launch. Mass production will start in November, a month earlier than usual, indicating the early launch date. Additionally, the Galaxy Ring, a fitness tracker for your finger, is rumored to be launched at this event and is expected to be one of the star products. Yoga Sprout on Twitter has provided the specification of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It will have 6.8-inch display with the titanium frame, Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, a 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel selfie camera and 5000 battery with the 45W fast charging. It will run on the One UI 6 based on Android 14. It's worth noting that the primary camera will feature on the upgraded 200 megapixel IPS-S6 sensor, which is an improved version of the current Ultra HP2 sensor. There is some diagrammatic regarding the camera specification. It suggested that it could be a 48 megapixel camera with the 5x zoom or 50 megapixel camera with the 3x lens. However, the difference of the megapixel will not significantly affect on photo quality. According to the review, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will offer option for the 2TB of the storage. It's certain that the 256GB model will have 12GB of RAM. There might also be 128GB model with the 8GB of RAM. It will be share any new information as soon as it become available. So be sure to subscribe and stay informed.